So in this short video, I want to show you how to migrate your Rubi to your main wallet. So first thing, you've got to ensure that you are verified on Rubi first. If you check my user information here, EKYC verified. For you to now migrate your Rubi coin to your main wallet, you come to this place, this third icon here. This is mining. Then you see my group, you see statistics. So you click on statistics. You click on statistics. You come to this place, you see total earnings here, total earning. You see user verified. So you click on user verified. Then you see migration. You click on migration. I've clicked on migration. They put a warning here. What is the warning about? Let's read it together. This wallet version is under construction. For security, please do not migrate greater than 100 units. So you are advised not to migrate more than 100 units because this wallet is under construction. So let me just migrate some few amounts. You cannot type anything here. In this way, you cannot type it. You have to drag this icon here. You drag it for you to migrate. So once you are dragging it, it increases your number. So I want to migrate just 45 to my main wallet. Then you click on apply. This is apply. You click on apply. If you are looking for a place where you can be getting a quick update about low caps and tiny coins, then you are in the right channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell. On this channel, we talk about crypto, airdrop, and other legit platforms. So you can see now, migrate successful. So I have successfully migrated 45 Rubi to my main wallet. So you can see the transaction here. It has been recorded on the blockchain. So how can I check my main wallet? Just go back here. This is your wallet. This is your wallet. You have to log into your wallet, or if you have not created your wallet, you have to create your wallet and also log in to your wallet. So I click on the wallet here. So what's the value here now? So I'm having 46 Rubi in my wallet now. 46 Rubi in my wallet. Total amount of that is $254.84. Okay, so that's all about how to migrate your Rubi to your main wallet. So with this one, you can send what you have in your main wallet here. You can send it to other people. You can sell. You can also buy from other people once you have been verified, and you can transfer. You can send your Rubi. You can also receive Rubi from other people. Thanks for watching. I remain your friend, Shina Oladele.